Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Unlock Your Learning. In this video, we are going to solve ICSE Mathematics today, class 7, chapter 8, Algebraic Expressions, exercise 8B, question number 5, 6, 7 and 8. So friends, without wasting any time, let's get started. This says, try to add without writing in columns, add by combining like terms, right? Now you can see in the first one there are some terms given and we have to add them, but we don't have to write them in columns, we have to combine their like terms and then add them. So like this we have done some questions in the previous video as well, so it will be easy. Let us start. We first of all know that what first thing we do. First we rearrange all the terms in the decreasing order of their degrees, alright, and then we combine the like terms. So here you can see the highest degree is this x cube, right? So we'll first start from 3 as the degree, then 2 and then 1, and then if there is any 0 in here, 0 means just a number, nothing, no variable in that, alright, just a number. So first for the ones with degree as 3, this one minus 4x cube, and what else do we have here? This one minus 12x cube, right? These. Now next what do we have? The ones with 2 as their degree, alright. So this one has 2 as its degree plus 9x cube, alright, and any other has 2? Yes, this one also minus 2x square, alright. So 9x square and 2x square. Now once the terms with degree as 1, let us look for them. Here you can see we have minus 4x and minus 6x here as well, so this, and any other? No. And now the terms with 0 as the degree, so just simple numbers we'll look for, 6 and 11, so plus 6 plus 11. Now we will solve this as well. So first of all, in the answers column, what do we have? Minus 4x cube minus 12x cube, so minus 4 and minus 12 will be minus 16, alright, minus 16x cube, and then plus 9x square and minus 2x square, so plus 9 minus 2 will again be plus 7, so plus 7x square, and then minus 4x minus 6x will be minus 10x, alright, plus 6 plus 11 will be plus 17. So you just simply have to solve them according to their signs. It is very easy. So this becomes our final answer, that is minus 16x cube plus 7x square minus 10x plus 17. Let us move on to the next question. Now moving on to the next question, the sixth one. This is 5xy minus 1 upon 3x plus 3 upon 5 and so on, right? Now we first of all again see if their degree is the same. So degree in all of these terms, the degree is 1, because we cannot see any other number written on the variable, so just 1. So this means we can write them in any order, it is totally up to you, alright. So first we have 5xy. So let us look for the terms with xy in their variable part, so like terms with xy. So first this one only 5xy, then this one plus 6xy, then minus 6xy, alright, and no other terms. Now we have minus 1 upon 3x. So in this also terms with x in the variable part, so minus 1 upon 3x, and then minus 2 upon 3x, and then minus 4x, right? Any other terms? No. So just these. Now we have terms with y as their variable part, so we have plus 3 upon 5y, and then we have plus 2y, alright. So this is easy. Let us solve this. 5xy and this plus 6xy minus 6xy, you can cut it, it is going to have no value, so just cut it, because plus 6 minus 6 is 0 only, right? So this has no value and we don't even have to write the variable, so just cut this entire part. So what is left? 5xy. So we write this down, alright, 5xy, then minus 1 upon 3x, and then minus this 2 upon 3x. Again in this also you can see that minus 1 minus 2 minus 3 upon 3x, alright. So in that also we can just simply cut the fraction 3 upon 3 by 3, so we get minus x only. Now we have minus 4x here as well, that will be minus x and minus 4x, that is minus 5x, alright. And then plus 3 upon 5y plus 2y. This also, when there is no denominator written, this becomes 1. Denominator is 1. Now 1 into 5 will be 5, and this 2 into 5 is 10. So 3 upon 5 plus 2 upon 5, that will be plus 13 upon 5 y also, alright. So this becomes our final answer. This is 5xy minus 5x plus 13 upon 5y. Let's move on to the next question. Now moving on, we have this 13 upon 11x cube minus 12 upon 7x cube minus 3 plus 5 upon 7x square, and so on, right? So we read the rest of the part. Now you see that all of these terms have different degrees. Not all, but some of the terms have different degrees. One has 3, one has 2, and the other has 1. So like this we have to rearrange them according to their degrees only. Like suppose here, which is the highest one? 3. You can see 3 as the highest, alright. So first we solve the terms having 3 as their degrees, right? This one has 3 as the degree, 13 upon 11 x cube, alright. Now any other term with 3, this one also, so minus 1 upon 11 x cube, and this one also plus 5 upon 11 x cube, right? So these are 3 terms with 3 as their degrees. Now in this also you can see that some of the terms are having this negative. This one has a negative numerator, right? So we'll solve this later. Now we go 1 degree down, subtract 1 from 3, 2. So now we look for degrees with 2, sorry, the terms with their degree as 2. So which one is it? First is this one, minus 12 upon 7x square, alright, and this one, that is plus 5 upon 7x square, and any other term we have? No. So just these 2 terms with x square. And next we move on to terms with 1 as their degree. So in this, any term has 1? Yes, this has 1. This is plus 10 upon 3 x, and this one also minus 1 upon 3 x, right? So the terms with 1 as their degree. Now the terms with 0 as their degree. So basically terms which don't have any variables have 0 as their degree. This one minus 3, and any other else, this one also, plus we have this one minus 12 upon 5, alright. So this we have written down. We have rearranged the like terms in this. Solve this. So 13 upon 11 x cube minus 1 upon 11 x cube plus 5 upon 11. So 13 minus 1 will be 12, and all of them have the same denominator, that is 11. So just solve the numerators. 13 minus 1, 12, 12 plus 5, 17. Alright, so this is, you can write in your answer, this is 17 upon 11 x cube, and then minus 12 upon 7 x square and plus 5 upon 7 x square. So in this also you can see this, we cut it, minus 12 minus and plus 5, that will be minus 7, alright. And so you get minus 7 upon 7 x square. But here we can simply simplify this, cut this, so 1 1, right? This one has no value. So what we can do is simply erase the fractional part here and just write minus x square, that will have the same value, alright. So not the same value, but when you have cancelled it, so we just get that. So write it here, minus x square. Then we have plus 10x and minus 1 upon 3x, right? So these are the terms with 3 in the denominator, alright, and 1 as the degree. So this we solve once again. 10 minus 1 is what? 9, right? So this becomes, and plus minus, so greater one is 10, so plus 10, sorry, plus 9, so plus 9 upon 3x. You cancel this, 1 and 3. So this also we can just simply write it in another form, and that is plus 3x. After cancelling we get plus 3x. Alright, in last we have these, right? So here you can see I have made this one because you can see when a fraction does not have any denominator, so we write it as 1 upon 1. Now you can see 1 will be converted to 5, so 5 times we will multiply, and here also minus 3 into 5 will be minus 15. Now minus 15 and plus 2 will be minus 13, minus 13 and minus 12 will be minus 25 upon 5, right? 1 and 5, this we cut, so you get minus 5 simply, you can write that down. Alright, and friends, you can see we have got our final answer, and it is also very important to keep on simplifying on the way. And let's move on to the next question. Now we move on to the next question, and it is in brackets it is written, so this brackets basically 8 minus 3x cube plus 5x to the power 4 brackets closed plus, and then again brackets open, 7x cube minus 5x to the power 4 and so on. We'll read that later on. Now first thing what we have to do here is that all the terms are in brackets, so we use the BODMAS method in this, and first we open the brackets as we know. So always and always open the brackets first. So this we open, so 8 minus 3x cube plus 5x to the power 4 plus and plus, that is again plus only, so plus 7, okay, plus 7x cube minus 5x to the power 4 plus 8x, then again plus plus, again same thing, plus sign only, 7 minus 16x to the power 4 and minus 9x cube, and then plus and plus, that will be plus only, plus 2x to the power 5 minus 6x minus 2. Now this we can see we have opened the brackets, and now it is going to be easy for us to collect the like terms as well. So let us start doing that. Alright, first you see, so you can go in any order, it is up to you. Here since the first term is having 0 as the degree, let us start from the smallest one only. It will have no impact on our answer, so just write that, although it won't change any answer, it will be correct still only. Now we move on. So first of all, 8 is the term with 0 is its degree, right? Any other term with 0 in their degree? This one? No, this is just a number. This one here also we have plus 7, so 8 plus 7, and any other minus 2, right? So these three terms with 0 as their degree. Now we move on to terms with 1 as their degrees. Which one is it? This one has 1, and any other, this one also has 1, but any other term has it? No, right? So just these two terms, so plus 8x first and then minus 6x, right? These terms. Now terms with 2 as their degree, so any term with 2 as its degree here? No, no term with 2 as its degree. So now we again proceed, we skip 2. Now we move on to terms with 3 as their degree. So this one first you can see here, minus 3x square, sorry, cube, minus 3x cube, then plus 7x cube, and then any other, this one also, minus 9x cube, and any other? No. So just these two, right? Now terms with 4 as their degree, so this one has it 5x to the power 4, and then we have this one minus 5x to the power 4, and then we have this one minus 16x to the power 4, and no other terms, right? Now last we have terms with 5 in their degrees. So this one first we have spotted out here, that is plus 2x to the power 5. Any other term with 5 in its degree? No. All the terms are done. Now you can see we have kept on underlining, these are also done, starting with, right? And this one also, right? Now we solve these. So So very simple, it will be solved easily, because first we have the numbers 8 plus 7 is 15 and 15 minus 2 is 13. So we write that down, 13 plus 13. Now plus 8x and minus 6x. So plus 8 and minus 6 will be 2. So plus 2x. Still it will be plus only, because why? 8 minus 6 is 2, right? So 2 here. Now you can see minus 3x cube plus 7x cube and minus 9x cube here. So you can first solve this. So minus 3 and minus 9 will be minus 12x cube, minus 12x cube and plus 7x cube. This will be 5x cube. Now which sign will we put? Minus 12 or plus 7? Minus. So minus 5x cube. Alright. Then we have plus 5x to the power 4 and minus 5x to the power 4. They both have the same value, right? Plus 5 and minus 5 will be 0 only, so it has no values. So you cut them. Now after cutting them, we have this one, minus 16x to the power 4 left here, and this is the only one with that, so we write it down as well. And in last, plus 2x to the power 5. Alright, this becomes our answer. And friends, this is all for today. If you are new to my YouTube channel, do not forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon down below so that you get notified whenever I upload a new video. Also leave a like on this video. Till then, take good care of yourself. Bye bye.